Okay, good evening, basketball fans. This is now the last game for week number 3 or week number 4 sa ating basketball action. For today po, bukas po babalik muli po tayo between Boleros versus the Sky Team. Wait, sir. Yung isa, dapat may green sala. Ano yun? Okay lang sa inyo? Kasi okay. Okay, Boleros Sky Team on the way. And bola po ng Boleros. Ay, ng Sky Team. Malapad, inbounding. Malapad, of course, with Enteng, yung kanang skipper. With Lacanilaw. And of course, nandito si Shena at si Walter. Si Iko, nandito si Iko. Pops up, no good. Rebound by Sky Team. Out of bounds nga lang. Okay, Boleros inbounding. Number 30 to Mr. Benji. Benji, yung skipper naman po ng Boleros. Benji again. 30 for 3. Wala. Rebound na by Lacanilaw. Binababa ang bola. Lacanilaw driving strong. Nice swipe. Nice swipe by the Boleros. And number 1. No good. Rebound. Number by the red shirt. Yes, sir. Number 8. Boleros 2 points. Boleros 2 points. Courtesy of number 8. And Bryle for 3. Nope. Number 30 naka-rebound. Benji. Pinababa ang bola. Benji, pinababa ang bola. Benji, number 13. Number 12. Number 12, running shot. No good. Rebound by Enteng. Kick pass, number 15. Lacanilaw. No good. Rebound again. Tap. Almost had it. Okay, number 12. Hindi ko mabasa nila. Number 13. Benji for sure. Nandun. Nakuha. Nakuha ni Bryle ang bola. 2 points, Bryle. 2 all. 7:55 remaining. Tablado tayo sa dalawa. Benji. Binababa ang bola. Kick pass. To Benji again. Kick pass. Number 8 pops up. 2 points. Again, same ball tayo. And please take note po, Boulder po is lumipat po pala po para sa team Sky Team. Approve po ang trade na yan ng committee po ng AFL Aviation Friendly League. Walter. Bryle for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Bryle. Bryle 3 points. Pops up. No good. And out of bounds. Walter for the inbound. Walter inbounding po tayo para kay sa Team Boleros sa Team In-Flights. Out of bounds. Balik pumili po sa Boleros ang bola. The score is 4-5. Laman po na isa ang Sky Team. Sky Team leading by 1 point. Malapad, binababa ang bola, malapad. Malapad, nope, it's Brad, touch, pasulakan nila, 2 points. Nice steal by Enteng. Enteng, nope, it's Malapad. Enteng again, easy to, no good. One more time kay Malapad. Dapat muna raw, sabi niya. Guevara against Enteng. Pops up. No good. Number 8 na rebound. Rebound number 8. Driving against Enteng. Hoop shot, no good. Rebound battle, won by Enteng. Enteng naka-rebound na to Walter. Walter, binaba ang bola. Walter. Malapat to Walter. 2 points, Walter. Walter, 2 points. Nice one by Malapad. Brian for 3. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 8. Again, Walter. Walter naman nakakuha. Walter for 3. And shooting for 3 is Walter. Bola pa rin. Walter shooting for 3.
First personal foul.
Ayan na, yung ano. Ayan na yung wrecking crew. Abriganza, si Diot, dumating na rin. Of course, meron silang import din na kasama. Si Iko, papasok na rin po para sa Team Sky Team. Kenneth, Roger, Yanesa, Sky Team lang ang malakas. Good luck po sa Diyos. Sky Team from kay Yanesa. Walter first shot, pasok. Second throw ni Walter. Walter, second shot. Walter, last shot. Last shot ni Walter. Three basket made by Walter. 4-12 ang score. Samonte, 28. Pops up, kapos. Rebound by Boleros, 2 points. That's number... Walang number eh. No good. Same ball. Number 0, Boleros, 2 points. Nice one by Boleros. 13. Number 13. No good. Rebound, 26. Palpal, pero may foul.
Jersey number 12. That's our first personal foul.
Jersey number 12 called for the foul. Okay, balik tayo. Pops up, Samonte, no good. Rebound battle, won by the blue shirt, the green shirts, 2 points. That's number 30, the Boleros, 2 points. 4-12 remaining, 8-12 ang score po natin. Nakalina, Cold almost had the ball. Foul on number 26 ng Boleros. Laki nila, number 15, shooting for 2. Laki nila, first shot. Pasok. Laki nila, second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throw by Laki nila. No good. Rebound by Iko. To Siena. Siena to Magana. No good. Hindi po mali pa pinasahan. Nadapa pa siya. Out of bounds. Blue ball. At pinatay na tayo ng AC sa Newton. Nice read, nice steal by number 16. Lost the ball. Number 13, 2 points, no good. Laki nila call for the foul. Number 13, Bolero shooting for 2. Pops up. No good. Second throw. Jumpers ready. I think nag-sub. Injury sa Manyalak yata. Injury. Okay, Aberganza. Pinasok na kay Manyalak. Abreganza, yan po yung nagpanalo po sa nakaraan laro nila. Pops up, no good. Rebound by Siena. To Abreganza. Symbol daw tayo, sabi. Samson Gabi is watching. Good team play, sir. Siena. Iko. Foul on number 13. Daming 13 ah. Iko. No good. Rebound by Boleros. Samonte, binababang bola. Samonte, 2. Number 13. Ayan, 0. No good. Abregana. Iko. Foul. Iko, number 16, shooting for 2. Iko, number 16, first shot. Wala. Iko, second throw, jumpers ready. Wala pareho. Iko, naka-rebound. It's blue ball. Blue ball. Siena. Iko sa ilalim. Wala. Lakanilaw. Nawala ang bola. Same ball. 3 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds to shoot. Siena. Running shot. No good. Iko. Fresh 14. Iko. Abregana for 3. Nope. Lakinaw naman. Lakinaw. Driving for 3. Wala pa rin. And wala na. Out of bounds. Balik muli po sa Boleros ang bola. 5 po ang kalamangan po ng Boler ng Sky Team over Boleros. Number 13. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Siena. Siena. Binababa ang bola. Siena. Nope. It's Iko. And one play binigay kay Iko.
That's your third personal foul.
Samonte, foul number 3. Iko, 2016. Bonus free throw coming up. Pasok. Samonte. Nice shot by Boleros. That's number 23 of Boleros. Siena, number 2. Driving. Pops up. 2 points sa Abregana. Abregana 2 points. 51 seconds remaining. Still completed by Siena. Kalinaw, 2 points.
40 seconds.
39 seconds remaining. First quarter action drawing to a close. Sir Owens, good evening po Sir Owens. Sir Lim also, good evening po Sir Lim. Nako na Abregana ang bola. Abregana, Iko. 2 points Iko. 24 seconds remaining. 20 seconds remaining. Abregana still completed. Siena again.
10 seconds.
Iko, 2 points. First quarter's finish naman po ng 14 ang Team Sky Team. 10-24. Looking now also for win number 3 ang Team Sky Team. Samantala pong Boleros po still looking for its first win sa ligang ito. This is your Aviation Premier League Double sa Flying League. Maraming salamat po. And now you're watching right now, you're watching the final game for the day between Sky Team and Boleros. Okay, Benji for the inbound. Number 13. Also, it's Benji. Utrecht. Benji for 3. Yes, sir. Nothing but net. 13-23. Laman po ng 10 ang team, Sky Team. Pops up. Trahal. No good. Rebound by the Boleros. Foul called. Trahal called for a foul. Number 6. Ikaw yata. Okay, game. Number 8 from Benji. Number 13. Number 8. Running shot, no good. Rebound battle won by the blue shirts. Blue shirts won. Sky Blue Team, Sky Team. Boss John Rad, Jot lang ang sakalam, sabi ni Yenesa. No good. Rebound by Jot, the tank. No good. Malalim masyado. Utrecht. Nice D. Still completed. Abrigana, no. Visoriol. Abrigana. Kinalawa. Foul called. Number 9 called for a foul. Abrigana shooting for 2. Abrigana shooting for 2. First shot, Abrigana. Wala. Second shot, jumper straight for Abrigana. A 10-point advantage still enjoyed by the Sky Team. Abrigana, second shot. Jumper straight po tayo. No good. Rebound by Iko. Ay, sorry. Rebound by drive by Bryle. Rather. Trial. Diot. Out of bounds. Good ball. Nice one by Benji. Strip, swap. See, completed almost. Benji. Out of bounds. Same ball. Out of bounds.
7 seconds to shoot.
Go.
7 shots.
7 seconds remaining. Benji inbounding. Pops up. No good. Ayun na. Nando si number 8. Time si Benji din. Good ball. Bryle. Diot. The tank. No good. Benji na naman. Benji. Okay, number 1, Guevara, 2 points. An 8-point advantage now being enjoyed by Team Sky Team. Abrigana, kapos. Out of bounds. Ang galing. Okay. Jot, Riol, combination, Diot. 2 points, Jot. Diot, 2 points. Number 30. Guevara. Guevara. Traveling violation called on Guevara. Dumikit yung bola sa kanya. Sabi niya na sa yun. Sabi niya. Diot sa ilalim. No good. Riol. Braille. Trapal. Trapal. Driving strong. Palpal. Riol. For 3. Tapos, number 8 for rebound for Boleros. Jope Montesis watching. Ano ba? Foul called.
28, Riol.
Royal called for a foul.
Second unit, Rivera.
Lack of shooting, 2 shots given by number 8 po ng Boleros. Pasok. Second shot, jumper's ready. No good. Rebound, Abrigana. Abrigana, binababa ang bola ni Abrigana. Abrigana. Number 28, Riol, foul. Holding foul call.
Foul managers number 30.
Foul number 30. Riol shooting for 2. Riol, first shot, wala. Riol, second shot, jumper's ready. Two points. Point for Riol.
Bakit mo na si Riol?
Sir Isa, nandun din po. Si Babagay, nandun din. Nanood din po. Sa Monte. Number 0, pops up for 3. Yes, sir. And one play binigyan ni Iko.
Foul managers number 13.
Iko. Bonus feature. Kapos. One more time. Iko. Iko. 2 points. 4-point play. Made by Iko. Uy, lifting by traveling violation ka doon, boy. Again, a 10-point lead advantage again by team Sky Team. Laki nila to Mr. Siena. Siena. Abrigana. Nope. Mali pala. Enting pala. Iko. Nakuha ni sa Mountain Bola. Ayan, nabunta na ng 13. Wow! Take down. Na take down. Okay. Boleros ball still. Samonte. Number 12. Number 28. Uy, malakas. Laki nila, binaba ang bola. Laki nila. Laki linaw. Foul.
Calling it.
Two points. Eco 2 points at 18-30. A 12-point advantage have been posted now by Team Sky Team. Nice one. Nice play by Boleros. Siena. Palpal. Oh, teka lang. Traveling violation ka doon, sabi ng referee. At 10-point advantage again by Team Sky Team over Boleros.
2 minutes, 25 seconds, second quarter.
2 points. Number 13, 2 points. Two points. Laki nila 2 points.
Jersey number 28, red ball. Patano, there's your second foul.
In and out. Enteng. Eco again. Power move. Oy, grabe yung relation kay Eco.
Great defense.
Nice D by the Boleros of Eco. Number 13. Ayos na Kanilaw. Number 12. Oh, traveling violation called by the referee. Number 12 called for the travel. A minute and 22 remaining. Second quarter action. Kanilaw. Masyadong mababa para kay Eco. Samonte, touch pass. Palpal. 2 points, number 13. The score is 22-34. Laman po ng 12 ang Sky Team. Samonte. Number 26.
30 seconds.
Pops up. Malakas. Rebound by number 12.
Shut up.
12 seconds remaining. Shot clock, 12 at 12. Mali, dumulas. Check ball. Malapad, dakwang bola. Pops up. No good. Laki nila, wala na. Halftime tayo. Sabi ni Burgadol goal, sabi dito, shoutout sa mga Sky Team players. Halftime po tayo. The score is 22-34. Laman po ng 12 ang team, the Sky Team. quarter action starts. Bola po ng The Sky Team.
Sky Team ball.
Wala.
Okay, Royol for the inbound. Along with Diot, Abregana, Trapal, at si Walter. Kabila na po, of course, may big man sila. Boleros, Walter, and the Sky Play, wala. Number 6, naka-rebound. Benji. Benji. Number 16, 2 points. 9:39 remaining, 24-24. Alam po na 10 ang team, Sky Team.
Yeah.
Masyado malakas ka Trapal. Abregana. Malakas pa rin. Rebound battle won by the Blue Shirts.
14 shot clock.
14 seconds to shoot. Dios. Abregana. Nakakuha ng bola. Abregana. What a play. What a slice by Abregana. Garcia. Again, Diot naman. Diot. Nice one by Riol. No good. Out of bounds by Diot. Riol. Foul. I think Sky Team now is making full court press at early in this quarter. Pwede naman sila dahil sa marami sila mga players din. Riol, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready. It's in. 24-37 at 30 the advantage. Okay, Diot, no good. Rebound. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 6, Trapal. Walter. Diot, 2 points. Benji. Nandun si Trapal. Malakas. Rebound, out of bounds. Balik sa Boleros ang bola. And sub muna po tayo. Number 13. Number 13 papasok muna para kay number 21. Out of bounds. Same ball. Tumama sa payata. Baggulong. Boleros called for a timeout. The score right now is 24-39. A 15 lead advantage now been posted now by team Sky Team, the Blue Boys. Okay, you're watching now the final game for the day between Boleros and Sky Team. And Sky Team enjoying a 15 lead advantage over Boleros. Walter. Diot. The tank. Diot now is operating. Diot driving strong. Wala naman ang bola. Laki nila against Benji. Fabs up. Abreganza. Tapos ang bola kay Abreganza. Abregana, 3 points. Again, full court press again. Hey! Kick ball. Same ball. Full court press now again being made by the Sky team. Benji. Sabi yata, may injury. Abrigana. Out muna. Na-injury yung kamay. And balik muli po tayo. Pops up. 2 points. Number 13, 2 points. (24-42). An 18-point advantage now by team. Piyot, ipit. Kick pass kay number 13. Number 13 again, 2 points. A 12-point advantage now by team Boleros. By team Sky Team. 30-42. Diot. No good. Benji. Number 8. No good. Hindi na Hindi natapos yung play. Lakanilaw. 2 points. 2 points nga. Lakanilaw, 2 points. Number 8, Binato. Number 13, 2 points. 30-44 at 12-14 point advantage. Been enjoyed by team Sky Team. Royol. Wala. Rebound by number 8. No foul. Number 13, 2 points. No good. Okay, Boleros ball. Okay, timeout now by team Sky Team. For tomorrow's game po, first game for tomorrow will be QDF versus the Hub. And of course, next game po tayo, ang second game po na for tomorrow po is between CAS and the Projects. Back to the ball game. 5:01 remaining. Third quarter action. Benji for 3. Nope. Wala. Number 0. Wala, maling pinasahan. Still completed. No good. Malapad, palpal ni 13. Siena. Laki nila 2 points. Two points Siena. Benji, pinaba ang bola.
Here comes Mikey.
Technical foul, bench decorum. Technical foul on Sky Team for bench decorum.
Substitution into the ball. That's the Morons. Coach lang po yan ang nasalita.
Paalala po, coach lang po magsasalita. Pangala, dapat ako po yung mga players.
Tira mo na isa. Labas mo na. Kulang na yung RSG natin. Sinatuturuan sila.
Okay, take the free throws now for Boleros. Kapos.
Alright. Same one tayo.
2:55 remaining, third quarter action.
Ito po, sa sideline.
Benji. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Enteng. Siena. Siena, 2 points. Samonte. Out of bounds. Okay, number 5 para kay number 1. Number 21 para kay number... Sino? Number 0. Sa Boleros.
Balik sa display sa kalaban, ha?
2:38, 7, 36, 7. Shena Braille. No. Rebound sa Monte. Points, Siena.
Hindi na kuhanan. Hindi na kuhanan.
Wala pa rin. Siena naman. Siena. 2 points, Siena.
Bumila pa sa air.
34-54. Lamang muli ng 20 na naman ang Sky Team. Samonte. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Siena naman. What about 1 minute 16 remaining.
Siena. Defense set. Vice Monte. Paso there sa number 30. This one. 58 seconds. Shot clock 18. Substitution. 18 seconds to shoot.
Foul.
Ball manager number 16. That's your first personal foul. 50 seconds.
2 points. Garcia 2
4
points.
seconds. Nakalinaw.
Wala.
Online. Garcia.
Out of bounds.
25 seconds. Wala na po siya ha. 20 seconds. Wala. 15, 40 seconds. Sorry, 40.
Same ball. Malakas ang pasa. And 10, 2 points. Arnold Patubo, Jojo Lacaniao, Nakomo, Galoko, ha? Okay, tapos na po ang third period po natin. The score is 36-56. Laman po ng 20 ang Team Sky Team over Boleros. Magbabalik po kami after 1 minute. Break lang tayo.
Fourth quarter, Boleros ball. Boleros ball. Boleros. Keep on defense.
Earl, number 30, inbounding for Boleros. Number 8, Earl.
14.
2 points. Siena. Tapa, 2 points. Out of bounds. Boleros ball. Enteng 2 points. 32 points. Three points. No good. Same ball. Riol. 2 points, Riol. Laki nila 2 points. Nice shot by number 30 Aliupog, ginawa po ni number 16 sa kanya. Diot against the green shirts. And one play binigay pa ni Riol. 7 minutes remaining. 42-69. A 27-point lead advantage now being posted now by team the Sky Team. It's out.
Wala pa rin. Open na open niya.
Take two.
Jersey number 30. Substitution. Jersey number 30, second round.
No good. Second shot. Jump shot ready.
6-41. Rebound siya na. Ayun na naman siya.
Out of bounds. Siena. Diot, number 1.
Three seconds violation.
3-second violation binanat sa kanila.
Jersey number 2.
No good. And to Diot. Diot. Okay, 2 points Diot. Pops up, kapos.
Brian Pasutio.
Diot for 3. No good. Two points. Number 13, 2 points. Short ball. Basket made, jersey number 13. Two points, number 8. Sir God. Sir Gol, ang score po natin, 48-72 naman po ang Sky Team. And number 13, 2 points. Laki nila 2 points. Number 13, driving strong. Benji. Wala na. Out of bounds. Sky Team. 3:39 remaining po sa ating game clock. Fourth quarter action na po tayo. And bukas, magbabalik po kami sa another 2 basketball action sa AFL Aviation Friendly League. And And 3 point po si Braille number 19. Two points, number 13. 3:06 remaining, fourth quarter action. Nakanilaw. Pops up. No good. Good ball. Intercepted.
Here's number 13. Well guarded by Tamal. Benji, Campbell. Taylor guard, Campbell. White, open, 3. Careful.
No good. Last 2 minutes now, Cobb on. And ball with Riol. Binato na kay Braille for 3 again. Gang! Benji, no good. Number 5, 2 points. Boleros. Siena, malakas. Wala. Samonte 2 points. Out of bounds.
11 seconds.
Okay, 11 seconds remaining. Basket made.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Siena. No good. One more time. Siena. Siena. Okay, that's it po tayo yun. Tapos na po ang ating pong laro ngayon. Congratulations for Team Sky Team for winning the game. Final score 58-82. And bukas po, meron po tayong laro po between QDF and The Hub. And of course, Cast versus The Projects. Maraming salamat po. It is your final game for today. Friday evening basketball action po tayo. Boleros versus Sky Team. Sky Team winning by final score 58 and 58-82. Panalo po ang Sky Team.